Your price may go up between now and then. Your price has gone up in the past. It's your duty. You have a fiduciary responsibility and obligation to let them know that that price might go up. But the wrong way to say my price might go up is, listen, if you don't lock in the price right now, it's probably going to go up. Come on, tick-tock, tick-tock, you got to do it. What you want to say is this: hey, I understand you want to delay until November. Here's the thing. And we've got a lot of products in the pipeline, as I know you do, Julia, right? As things change, there's a high propensity that the price might go up. If so, no sweat. I will work with you. We'll figure out the next best price with the packages we have at that time. Fair enough? And when you use those words next best, nobody wants next best, okay? And by the way, this is something that all of us have had arguments with clients over, and it's our fault. Clients come back to us 3 months after getting a quote or a proposal or having a discussion with us, and they're like, well, I'm ready to go, I want the price. And you're like, well, it's 18% higher. Well, I don't want to pay that, I want to pay the old price. Well, inflation, dude. Things changed. I can't get you the old price. And then you end up going to your leadership and they really want to buy, and can we do a deal and get them this price? By the way, leadership, if you're watching, don't do that. Okay? You're hurting your sales reps by allowing them to get a sale by giving them retroactive price. Why? The minute you go and say, hey, I talked to Robert, my CEO, we're going to do the old price, they're like, oh, well, you know, can you do anything better for me? Can you throw in something free? Because now we've established that everything is up in the air with the pricing. This is why when somebody wants to delay and you have even a 4% chance that your price could go up, it is your fiduciary responsibility to let them know. If there's a 1% chance that the product's not going to be available, you have a fiduciary responsibility to let them know. If there's any percent chance that anything might change, it is your responsibility as a sales professional to let them know. It sounds like this. Robert, I totally get it, totally understand, right? It's an important decision. Based on everything that you're telling me with the situation with you with work, having to do the breakfast meetings, the anxiety that you're having with public speaking, Julie, I'm saying this in your terms for your public speaking coach, right? Based on everything you told me, this is the perfect program for you, okay? But only you can make that decision. I get it, okay? You got a lot going on with your daughter, with school, with everything going up until November, okay? If you want to wait, I'm okay with that. I just want to let you know though, as we add products to the program, things change, okay? One of the first things that changes is the price. The other thing that changes is, and Julia, this would be something you would say, as a speech coach, I only have so many hours in the day. There's only so many sessions that I can do with people like you as a speech coach. So there's also a possibility that when we get to November, I might not be available. I just want to make sure that we're clear, okay? I can get you into the program right now. I can lock you into the price right now. If we want to wait, things might change. Price and availability. Price might go up, availability might go down. No sweat though. I will work with you. We will find the next best option at that time. Fair enough? Okay. And now you're taking somebody that was all emotional about school starting and this starting, and you have to juxtaposition about it. Well, like, this was the right thing for me. Okay, in Robert's case with real estate, this one is super easy for Robert to do. I get it, 7%, right? It's a lot. It's a high interest rate. I'm with you, I totally agree, okay? However, based on everything that you're telling me, okay, this house in this neighborhood, with this configuration and with the backyard that you need, it's the right fit for you. But you're the one that's got to live here. You're the one that's going to have to go to bed here every night. You're the one that's going to have to wake up there every morning. I understand it. It's an important decision. And it's a decision that only you can make. Okay? But as your real estate advisor, based on everything that you told me about the neighborhood you want to be in, about the floor plan that you want, I'm telling you, everything that I'm seeing, this is the right property for you. But it doesn't matter what I think. I'm not living in it. You are. Okay? I'm more than happy with you taking some time. I just want to be very clear because this has happened to me in the past and it's my fault. It wouldn't be your fault. We wait a week. We wait 2 weeks. I've seen this happen in 2 hours. I don't want to add extra paranoia, but there's a very high propensity that this property is not going to be on the market when you're ready. And I just want to make sure that you're aware of that. But I will work with you and we will find the next best property for you. Fair enough? Right? Now they're going to leave that going, man, Robert has my best interest in mind. Because Robert does. Okay? There's nothing high pressure or pushy about that. But at the same time, if Robert doesn't say that, that's how Robert ends up with upset customers. Right? Same thing if it was the flip side and it's somebody looking to sell their house. Right? Based on everything that you're telling me, Matt, I believe that right now is the right time for you to list the house. Here's why. Although interest rates are very, very high, there's nothing on the market. There's no inventory competing with your property. Okay? Based on everything that you're telling me with where you guys want to go, when you want to go, and my 25 years of experience, I would put the property on the market right now. But it doesn't matter what I think. I'm not the one selling the property. I'm not the one that has to get it ready for showings. Okay? If we wait and rates come down, that's a good thing. But also, that's going to mean that there's going to be a flood of inventory on the market. So we got to balance that out. Okay? Based on everything you're telling me with the limited availability you have, I believe I can get this house sold right here, right now. Okay? If we wait, things change in the market change, and there's more competitive, I will work with you. We'll find the next best scenario for you. Fair enough? Now that person's going to go talk to whoever it is that they were talking to and go, man, he makes a really good case. Right? But I hope Robert arrives at that point with, man, interest rates are really high. I hear you, I'm with you, right? Slowing down, not instantly going. And for you, Julia, when somebody goes, man, I can't do this right now, don't go into why they should do it. I get it. I'm with you. And Julia, you're going to be shocked on this. I can't do this right now. Man, I got so much going on with work and my daughter with school, and there's no way I could dig into something like this until after the holidays. Cool. Does it make sense to get you signed up? Yeah, it does. They will say things and then do the opposite, right? And by the way, this happens in our personal life too, right? Ain't no way I'm going to sushi again tonight. We've had sushi the last 11 times and, you know, I can't eat any more sushi. Totally get it. Does it make sense for us to go to Matsu? Yeah, I like that restaurant. Let's do it, right? Like, just agree and move forward. You're going to be shocked at how often that person will do the thing you want them to do.